machine lovers! Today, we're diving into the world's newest all-electric construction machines. The future of heavy equipment is cleaner, quieter, and more powerful than ever. Let's check out how electric tech is transforming construction. Let's kick things off with the JCB 19C-1E, a fully electric mini excavator that's small in size but big on impact. Weighing in at around 1.9 tons, this compact excavator is powered by 4 lithium-ion batteries, delivering a total of 20 kilowatt-hours. It runs for up to 5 hours on a full charge, which is more than enough for most urban or residential jobs. But here's the kicker. It produces zero emissions, and it's virtually silent. That makes it ideal for indoor work, sensitive environments like hospitals and schools, and city operations where noise regulations are strict. It's so quiet, in fact, that birds chirping might be louder than its hydraulic arm lifting a full load of debris. Coming in next are 2 stars from Bobcat, the T7X track loader and the S7X skid steer, the world's first fully electric compact loaders. Equipped with a 60.5 kilowatt-hour battery, the T7X delivers up to 85 kilowatts or 107 horsepower and can operate at full power for up to 4 hours, or a full day of intermittent use. But it's not just about battery life. These machines eliminate over 96% of the hydraulic fluid typically used in traditional loaders, replacing them with electric actuators. That's less maintenance, less environmental risk, and more uptime. Operators report that the ride is smooth, with drastically reduced vibration and noise, creating a far more comfortable working environment. Another rising contender in the compact electric equipment category is the Kubota U17E, a fully electric mini excavator designed for small spaces and precision tasks. With a 48-volt lithium-ion battery pack and zero-emission output, it delivers the same dig depth and breakout force as its diesel counterpart. Its quiet, low-vibration operation makes it perfect for landscaping, indoor demolition, and residential construction. Compact, nimble, and eco-conscious, exactly what the next-gen contractor needs. Volvo's EC230 electric excavator is a 23-ton monster engineered to outperform even its diesel counterparts. Boasting a 264 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery and peak motor power of 160 kilowatts, 214 horsepower. This excavator delivers quick cycle times, zero tailpipe emissions, and minimal operational noise. Designed for heavy-duty digging and material handling, this machine is ideal for urban construction, large-scale infrastructure projects, and even mining. And thanks to its CCS2 charging system, it can be juiced up swiftly using most European fast-charging stations. It's a prime example of how high power and sustainability can coexist in harmony. Designed for tight urban spaces and indoor use, the EZ17E is another mini excavator that's winning hearts in the construction world. What makes it unique? It features a fully electric drive, zero emissions, and the flexibility to run on battery or plugged directly into power sources for continuous operation. With a battery capacity of 23.4 kilowatt-hours, it offers 4 to 5 hours of work per charge. Plus, it uses maintenance-free brushless electric motors that reduce the total cost of ownership. It's a game-changer for cities where construction noise and emissions are tightly regulated. The TB20E from Takeuchi brings a rugged edge to the electric mini excavator space. Developed in partnership with United Rentals, this machine features a 24 kilowatt-hour battery system, dual motor drive, and a working range comparable to diesel-powered models. Its runtime reaches up to 8 hours depending on workload, and it includes an onboard charger for overnight charging or external quick charging for high-demand job sites. Next up is the futuristic and fully autonomous Volvo LX03, a creation born from a collaboration between Volvo CE and LEGO Technic engineers. This loader weighs about 11,000 pounds, supports a tip load of 8,800 pounds, and can run for 4 to 8 hours on a single charge. What sets it apart is its unique scissor frame and self-adjusting bucket design, which enhances stability and control. Built for innovation, It features full autonomy and remote operation capabilities, making it perfect for harsh environments and dangerous work sites. Imagine a Lego creation brought to life. But now, it's helping build real-world infrastructure. Caterpillar isn't sitting on the sidelines in the compact EV race. The 301.9 mini-electric excavator is making waves with its robust 48-volt lithium-ion battery system, delivering quiet, efficient power with zero tailpipe emissions. Designed with an ultra-compact frame, it's tailor-made for urban construction zones, indoor demolition, and sensitive environments where space and noise are both at a premium. Despite its small size, the 301.9 doesn't compromise on capability. With performance that rivals its diesel counterpart, it offers precise hydraulic control, smooth operation, and a runtime that supports a full workday under typical load. Operators benefit from reduced vibration, lower maintenance costs, and a cleaner job site, all while contributing to a more sustainable future. This mini excavator proves that when it comes to power and performance, going small and going electric can be a very big deal. From China's XCMG comes the XDR 80TE-AT, an all-electric self-driving mining dump truck with a 500 kilowatt-hour battery. It uses swappable batteries, each change takes under 6 minutes, and leverages 5G networks to feed live data to a centralized control center. Equipped with AI-powered LiDAR sensors, it can reroute in real time, detect obstacles, and optimize haul routes with zero human input. This is the future of mining logistics, where efficiency meets autonomy in the most extreme terrains. The CAT R1700XE is an underground load haul dump LHD vehicle that's rewriting the rulebook. It delivers a whopping 335 horsepower and is powered by a lithium-ion battery with 213 kilowatt-hour capacity. The system can fully recharge in less than 20 minutes using CAT's twin MX 500 mobile fast chargers. It features auto-dig technology for precision loading, is factory-ready for autonomous operation, and hauls up to 15 tons with a bucket capacity of 9.8 cubic yards. This machine isn't just electric, it's fully loaded for next-gen underground mining. Stepping into the world of lifting, meet the Liebherr LTC 1050-3.1E, a fully electric mobile crane built for urban environments. Its plug-in hybrid system allows for fully electric crane operation, even inside buildings or emission-restricted zones. Powered by 72 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion batteries, it can operate quietly for up to 5 hours and lifts loads up to 50 tons. Liebherr's green lift technology reduces noise and emissions while retaining the lifting muscle the brand is known for. While not fully electric yet, Manitowoc is making major strides in crane electrification with hybrid assist systems like the Grove GMK 6400-1E. This powerful mobile crane integrates an electric auxiliary power unit, EAPU, that enables silent rigging, emission-free idle operation, and significantly reduced fuel consumption during setup and support tasks. With a lifting capacity of 400 tons, the GMK 6401E remains one of the most versatile and heavy-duty all-terrain cranes on the market. Its hybrid tech allows contractors to work in urban or environmentally sensitive areas where noise and emissions are tightly regulated. Operators can rig the crane, power systems, and maintain hydraulic readiness, all without ever starting the main diesel engine. This system is more than a convenience. It's a critical transitional technology, offering real-world sustainability benefits today while paving the way for fully electric high-capacity cranes tomorrow. Manitowoc's commitment to innovation shows that even the biggest machines can go green, one step at a time. A vital part of road construction is compaction, and now it's going electric. Meet the Dynapac Z.ERA CC 900E, a fully battery-powered tandem asphalt roller designed to deliver smooth surfaces without the noise, fumes, or carbon footprint of traditional models. This zero-emission compactor offers identical performance to its diesel equivalent, with the added benefits of whisper-quiet operation and low maintenance. Its compact design featuring a 900mm drum width makes it ideal for urban projects, sidewalks, bike paths, and tight construction zones, especially in noise-sensitive areas or during nighttime operations. Powered by a robust lithium-ion battery system, the CC900E provides up to 6 hours of continuous operation, enough to cover a full shift of asphalt rolling without a recharge. And with quick top-up charging options, downtime stays minimal. It's not just paving roads, it's paving the future of eco-friendly construction, one layer at a time. Crowning our list is the Komatsu PC210E, a fully electric 21-ton excavator that brings brute strength and surgical precision together. With its 320 kilowatt-hour battery system, this excavator can operate for up to 8 hours, delivering consistent torque and bucket breakout force. It includes Komatsu's smart construction technology for site automation and real-time job tracking. Zero emissions, intelligent telemetry, reduced maintenance, and full integration with digital site management tools. It doesn't get more advanced than this. If you're excited about the future of construction tech, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping machines every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.